Welcome, my beautiful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Okay, my beautiful students, today, inshallah, we will start taking a new unit in our book, Better English Now. Please bring your book, page 40, and write the day with the date, my superstars, to start my lesson for today. First of all, girls, what can you see in this picture? I can see two persons, and the weather is raining. So, if I ask you, my superstars, what can you see after rain? What can you see after rain, girls? I can see what? I can see a rainbow. So, what can you see after rain? I can see a rainbow. Rainbow. So, give me the spelling of the word rainbow. Rainbow. What about the second word? So, the first word is what? Rainbow. What about the second word, girls? What can you see? Here, we can call it raindrops. Raindrops. So, Raindrops. Again, Raindrops. Raindrops. So the first word is rainbow, the second word is raindrops, and the third word, what can you see? Give me this color or tell me what is this color, girls? What is this color? We can say it or we can call it violet. Violet means in Arabic بنفسجي, okay? Violet, Violet. What is this color? This is a violet color. Violet. Violet. This is a violet color. So, rainbow, raindrop, rainbow, raindrops, violet, and the last word here. What can you see, or what we call this color? This is an indigo color. So, what is this color? Indigo. 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 So, what is this color? This is an indigo color. Indigo. Indigo. What do we call this color in Arabic? Neeli, okay? Neeli. Indigo. Indigo, okay? Now, my superstars, we will start reading the passage together. Please focus with me because I will ask one by one to read in my virtual class, okay? So listen to me carefully, my lovely students. Listen to me carefully. So, the rainbow, this is the title of this passage. It's about the rainbow, okay? So, the rainbow, we can see a rainbow after a shower. A rainbow can be seen in the sky if the sun is shining and the air is filled with raindrops. It is an arc of colored light. Again, girls, the rainbow, we can see a rainbow after a shower. A rainbow can be seen in the sky if the sun is shining and the air is filled with raindrops. It is an arc of colored light. We can see a rainbow after a shower. A rainbow can be seen in the sky if the sun is shining and the air is filled with raindrops. It is an arc of colored light. It is made up of many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So, how many colors are there in the raindrops in the rainbow? We have 7 colors in the rainbow. If you stand so that the sun is behind you, the rays of the sun will pass into the raindrops and you will see the rainbow in front of you. Again, girls, if I ask you how many colors are there in the rainbow, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. What are they? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Okay? So, again, girls, it is made up of many colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. If you stand so that the sun is behind you, the rays of the sun will pass into the raindrops and you will see the rainbow in front of you. Okay? Now we will start answering all the questions that we have on page 41. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. We can see a rainbow in the raindrops, sky, or garden. Of course, here the right answer is sky. So we can see a rainbow in the sky. 2. You can see a rainbow if the sun is in front of you, near, or behind you. So you can see a rainbow if the sun is behind you. Number 3. The rainbow is made up of many raindrops, rays, or colors. Of course, the rainbow is made up of many colors. Okay? Number 4. The rainbow is a circle, a line, or an arc. Of course, the rainbow is an arc. Okay? Now, circle the letter of the correct answer. Another title for this passage is number A, or letter A, sorry, rain showers. B, rays of the sun. And C, how a rainbow is made. Of course, another title for this passage is how a rainbow is made. Okay? Now, true or false? A rainbow can be seen in cloudy weather. Of course, false. 2. A rainbow is made up of 6 colors. Of course, false. 7 colors, not 6. 3. A rainbow cannot be seen at night. Yes, this is true. So, false, false, true. Okay? Now, this is a homework. Name 3 colors you can see in a rainbow. For example, white, black, and pink. Okay? So, this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.